Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade your BitSocial free version to the Pro version subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the BitSocial free version. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the Plugins menu and click on the Add Plugin option. Now, search for the plugin named BitSocial. Once you find it, click the Install Now button and then activate the plugin. Now, the BitSocial free version is successfully installed and activated on your WordPress site. Step 2. Connect a social media account in BitSocial. Now, go to the BitSocial homepage and click on the Accounts button. Then click the Connect Account button. Here you will see that different types of social media platforms are available. Among the available platforms, I would like to connect to Pinterest. So, click on the Connect button under Pinterest and complete the Pinterest account connection process with BitSocial. But here, you will see a pop-up message indicating that Pinterest is not available in the free version. To use this feature, you will need the BitSocial Pro plan. Step 3. Upgrade to the BitSocial Pro plan. To upgrade, go to the BitApps subscription dashboard and log into your BitApps account. Then navigate to the Purchase section and select your desired BitSocial package. Here, you will see your subscription details, and you can also upgrade your plan at any time from this page. Click on the Download option to download the BitSocial Pro version. Step 4. Install and activate the Pro version. Now return to your WordPress plugin page again. Then, upload and install the BitSocial Pro plugin. Then, click on the Activate Plugin button. You will now see the BitSocial Pro version listed on your plugins page. Step 5. Connect your license or subscription. Now open your BitSocial license page. Then click on the Activate License button and complete the subscription connecting process to activate your license. Congratulations! You are now a pro user of BitSocial. Now you can also access all Pro features, updates, and support. Step 6. Use Pro features. Now, let's go back to the BitSocial plugin homepage and try to connect to your Pinterest account again. Here you will see that your Pinterest account has been successfully connected in the BitSocial Accounts section. That's how you can easily upgrade your BitSocial free version to the Pro version. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.